Hello, hello. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you get forms on Dragon Block Apollo. So to start, I'll show you guys the form mastery screen. So this is where you can come. You'll be able to see your forms once you have them. But if you hover over each of the forms right here, Ozaru, as you can see, I get this at 108 on the Z Saga. So all of these show you where you unlock them. So I'm going to go ahead and cut over to me unlocking a form, and I'll explain how that works. So here we are. I've beat the enemy. As you guys can see in my action log on the right, you've unlocked Ozaru. Over here where my mouse is, you've unlocked Ozaru. Go to Warp Forms. There's also some other unlocks there. But I've unlocked Ozaru. Go to Warp Forms. It also shows above my quest. Going to go ahead and redeem that there. And go ahead and head over to Warp Forms. So when you're at Warp Forms, you're going to want to run over to this guy who is me. You're going to right click him. And then blah blah, you've unlocked Ozaru. So now we have Ozaru right here. Boom. And as you can see, Golden Ozaru is unlocked at 205 and 306 for Super Saiyan 4. Mind you, these form unlock quests might change update to update, but that's not a concern. So, activating a form, just go ahead and show you guys that here. Boom. There we go. Ozaru. So here we are. I've just unlocked Super Saiyan. Go to Warp Forms, and I'm here at Warp Forms. Boom, you've unlocked Super Saiyan. Go ahead and open your action menu, which is your X key. Sorry, I didn't mention that earlier. There we go, boom, Super Saiyan. I have Super Saiyan. As you can see, at level 5, I get an alternate form. What is an alternate form? Well, so I've just leveled my form up to show you guys this. Alternate form full power. Boom, you toggle it on right there. And if I had my aura on, sorry about that, you can toggle your aura with that command, by the way. Cosmetic toggle aura. There's a bunch of things to toggle. You can do cosmetic list. Sorry, that's not really related. If I turn on full power, my aura will go away, and boom, I'll have higher multiplier and less strain. As you can see, I go down from 275 to 250, and I get, 150, and I get a little bit more multi on me. So that's nice. A quick thing worth mentioning about forms is form drain. What is form drain? Well, form drain is a static number for most forms, where I will be draining 275 spirit every 7/20th of a second. It's about 3 times a second. So you want to make sure you have a lot of spirit when you have these forms. I have way too much for this form, but you can imagine if you only had a few hundred spirit, you'd only have a few thousand spirit key pool, so that wouldn't work out too well. So make sure you level your spirit. Getting XP for the form you want to level is as simple as farming the challenger that drops it, okay? So the easiest way to do that, you're going to type in sheet, boom, and right here you go ahead and open up the sheet with /sheet in the chat. So what you could do, cool little thing, press Control F on your keyboard. You type in Super Saiyan Z Soul just like that, or whatever it is. You want tier 1 Z Souls, Kaioken Shards, Force Form, whatever the drop is, you can find it here. And as you can see, Goku 2-star drops it at 25%. These rates could change when you play, but nonetheless, you're going to go ahead and farm whoever has the drop. But also in game, when you're farming, this menu will show you what they drop. It's just a little bit easier to see them all in one place. So I'm going to go ahead and farm this guy, and I'm going to go ahead and get me some Z Souls. So sometimes challengers will transform, and usually they drop higher rates of what you are already farming them for. As you guys can see, I have 2 Super Saiyan Souls here. I don't know when I got these, but I think they were in the back of my inventory. So to use these, you simply right-click. I'll go ahead and head back to spawn. So you go ahead and right-click. Super Saiyan has gained 10 XP, 90 out of 3,500. Wow. So you check your XP here, of course. So let's say I have 3 buff form Z Souls. I'm not a human. What do I do with those? You head to spawn, talk to Goku, trade them in here, get some tier 1 form soul fragments. Right there, boom. As you can see, you could do it for tier 1, 2, and 3. They each trade in, blah, blah, blah. Come over to, Lil Froggy, tier 1 form Z Soul, boom. Talk to Master Roshi then, and get a Super Saiyan Z Soul. Now I have XP for my race. Cool. Another way that you can get XP for forms is heading to Warp Shenron. And if you had Dragon Balls, you can go ahead and tier 1 form Z Soul right there, buy those. Surely didn't spawn those in. Master Roshi, again, come over here, give me some Super Saiyan Z Souls, and boom, now we have Super Saiyan Z Souls. So that is one way to get XP. After you've unlocked God Form, how do you level it? Well, first, you can head over to Warp Challengers. Up until level, I would say 7, you're able to actually grind XP right here. So as you can see, you get God XP from this challenger. 1 to 3 at 90%, 4 to 6 at 9%, and 7. So boom, there it is. We've beat him and broke the wall here. Right. So what you could do is you got God XP 1%, unlucky. So another way you could do it, let's imagine I'm, level 8, or sorry, 7. I can't get any more XP. Head over to Whis Training at spawn. You talk to Whis. Come here. He'll give you a task. Collect the ingredients and cook it delicious. So there we go. Task completed. Boom, boom. Head over here to Whis and see what he has to say. What do you got, Whis? Boom. XP rollover. Because I just leveled up God Form. 65 XP to God Form. Leveled me up and it carried my XP over. And I got tier 1, 2, and 3 XP plus 10. What does that mean? That means I just got XP for all of these forms. 10 XP here, here, and here. It's spread out evenly. If I had level 8, I would have actually gotten 20 in each of them. It is a similar story for the Super Saiyan 4 training, which is Primal training, obviously, for every Primal form. So it's a similar thing. You unlock Super Saiyan 4, however, and then you level it up through Primal training. I won't go ahead and show that, but just to let you know, that does give tier 1, 2, and 3 EXP. So that's going to be about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you have anything you want to know about the server, do let me know down below. I enjoy making these little tutorial videos for you guys. Hope you enjoy.